Kanya, the modular aluminium extrusion system with unlimited possibilities, stands for highest product quality and supply availability and offers an ideal solution for every application. The patented extrusion connection system PVS has already been used 1 million times and cannot be surpassed in its simplicity, flexibility and speed of assembly. With just a few components and a few simple steps, a perfect connection is created, which can be combined with all our cross-sections. The varied and optimally matched range of accessories for the whole extrusion line enables the user to reach modular solutions with a minimum of effort. The flexible tube connection system RVS can be combined with our system and results in unimagined possibilities for implementing your project. The clear focus on customer requirements is met by expert technical advice. Optimally used synergies between your idea and our core competences result in the best solution. Our experienced technical team develops solutions that provide the highest possible customer benefit and visualizes these with the most up-to-date CAD systems. All CAD data are on our website and available as downloads. Parts are efficiently and precisely manufactured in our extensive machine plant. Automated processing operations guarantee high quality at the agreed deadline. Precision work is involved in everything we do, from straight or mitered cuts and to drilling or milling of every description. Our international sales network enables our products and services to be used worldwide. Our utmost concern at Kanya is to guarantee comprehensive satisfaction in all areas of cooperation. Do you have ideas and visions? We will help you to realize these, and we are only satisfied when you are satisfied too. Kanya, the modular aluminium extrusion system with unlimited possibilities.